welcome to the Maths Studios. So like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications. Happy learning. Assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to study about simplifying and reducing fractions. Basically, simplifying and reducing fractions are the same thing and they can be used interchangeably. So let's start picking the first question. My first question is 14/16. Alright, so in the numerator there is 14 and in the denominator we have 16. So now I need to simplify or reduce this fraction. In order to reduce a fraction, it is important that we have to divide the fraction with a same number. This is very important. You cannot divide 14 with 2 or 16 with 4. No, it has to be a same number. So if the denominator is divided by 2, you have to divide the numerator also with 2. 2 7 times is 14 and 2 8 times is 16. This is a proper fraction and now it cannot be further reduced. This fraction is now not cancelable anymore. You cannot cancel this fraction, you cannot reduce, you cannot simplify this fraction anymore, because now this is a fraction which is a proper fraction and there is no such number which can divide 7 and 8 together. Alright, so now let's bring another question. The other question is 24/18. Now let's think of a number that can cancel 24 and 18 at the same time, and in this question I'm going to reduce it like this. Alright, let's take 3, right? Alright, let's take 2. 2 one time is 2 and 2 time is 4. So the numerator and denominator will be reduced with the same number. 2 9 times is 18. So I am left over with 12/9 as a fraction. But now if I see that this fraction is further cancelable, I can cancel it, I can simplify, I can reduce it. With which number? So now I know that 12 is cancelable by 3 and 9 is also cancelable by 3. So 3 how many times is 12? 3 4 times is 12 and 3 times is 9. So now my reduced fraction is 4/3. Again, if I see that this is an improper fraction, but again this fraction is not cancelable now. So what you are going to do, that in case if it is an improper fraction, you can convert that into a mixed fraction by dividing the number. 3 one time is 3 and 4 minus 3 is 1. So now I'm going to write this as an improper fraction. The denominator will come on the same place. The denominator will remain as denominator. 1 whole and 1/3.